This is my pepper plant. I have 7 of them in pots and a few other in the raised bed. And this is how they look like. In June, we are in the gardening zone 6A. And the pepper plant is start producing fruit, as you can see. There we go. The roots are looking very healthy, very big root. You see I'm using a peat pellet when I start the seed. Very big and strong trunk. That's the fruit. Very pretty. Some of them, like this one, still producing young branches. So for my pepper plant, I did not prune the top of the pepper when they were still young, like most of the gardener recommend to do. But what I did is I removed the newly formed bud on this pepper plant when they were still young. The reason is I want the young pepper plant to focus their energy more on growing up instead of trying to form fruit. So by doing this process, I encourage the young pepper plant to grow taller and also encourage the plant to form new branches. And I continue doing this a few more times until I satisfied with the height of the young pepper plant. And then I stop picking the new forming bud and let the pepper plant do its own thing. So that's how I got this big strong pepper plant in my pots. This is the other pepper plant, a different variety. It's a shishito pepper. And it has a lot of branches too, here. Very nice. It's bushy. A lot of branches, a lot of fruits. And the root is very strong too. So that's my sharing for you today about my pepper plant. I hope it will be beneficial for your garden need. And if you like the content of our channel, consider subscribing to our channel. And I see you next time.